Hi, I'm Jarod with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. Water leaks can cause serious damage to your home. Even the smallest ones can cost you hundreds. Today, we're going to talk about some questions we hear from homeowners who suspect or are dealing with a water leak. What are the most common signs of a water leak? The most common signs of a water leak include a higher than usual water bill, wet spots on walls or ceilings, reduced water pressure, and the sound of running water even when all fixtures are turned off. What techniques are used to find a hidden leak? The first step in finding a hidden leak is to check for visible signs on your walls and ceilings. In many cases, the affected drywall or ceiling will need to be cut away due to damage, which can also help expose the leak. For less obvious leaks, plumbers may use specialized tools like acoustic sensors, infrared cameras, moisture meters, and mini cameras. Is it worth it to repair a leak before it gets bad? Yes. Small leaks can still lead to significant damage, promote mold growth, and increase your water bill, ultimately costing you more in the long run. Therefore, a proactive approach is recommended to fix the issue before it spirals out of control. Are water leaks covered by homeowners insurance? Most homeowners insurance policies will cover sudden leaks or pipe bursts. However, slow or neglected leaks are typically not covered, especially if they were preventable with proper maintenance. How can I prevent water leaks in the future? To prevent future leaks, monitor your water bill and usage for unusual spikes and schedule routine plumbing maintenance. Mattioni's VIP membership can help with that, giving you one free plumbing inspection per year, along with other perks. It's also a good idea to replace any old or corroding pipes, fixtures, and fittings. Also, installing a water conditioning system can further extend the life of your plumbing. If you suspect a water leak or need a plumbing service, give us a call or schedule online with real-time availability. We'll have your home's plumbing back to normal in no time.